When we think of the word head, we often, of course, think of a CEO or the head of some institution or organization. But the phrase head of the church is not employed to identify Christ as the head of a company or the head of some earthly organization. Of course, my mind goes to Ephesians chapter 5, verse 23, when the Apostle Paul distinguishes Christ as the head of the church. But what's so interesting in that verse is the phrase, the head of the church, his body. The church isn't the result of human ingenuity. The church isn't the result of some entrepreneur's vision. The living Christ is the head of a living organism. And identifying Christ as the church's head denotes that he has sovereign lordship and supreme authority over her. Perhaps your mind would go immediately to Jesus' commission of his disciples in Matthew chapter 28. All authority in heaven and on earth has been given to me, he says. And so the supremacy of Christ, which was firmly established before creation and exhibited in his incarnation, reigns now, right now, over his church, and of course will be eternally established at his return. So the church receives all of its life from Christ and has no life apart from him. They are one. He is the head, and we as the church are the body.